In the given question, it is given that fxyt, f x comma y comma t, used to represent x, person x fools another person y at time t, and which of the following options best represent this formula. Let's write the formula. For every x there exists y, there exists t, not f x y t. On thinking, let's make this not transfer this not outside. When we transfer this not outside, this for all will be converted into this there exist will be converted into for all. This there exist will be converted into for all y. This for all will be converted into there exist x, and not will come here, and we will write remaining as it is x y t. Now it says that there exists some person x, there exists some person x for every y, means for every y means what? X fools y. There exists some person x which fools every y, every person y. So who fools everyone, means every person y, everyone, and for all t means at time t. X fools y at time t. So at all time. If I will apply not before, these three terms are the explanation of only this. If we remove not from here to here, these are the explanations. If we apply not here, this term will become there exists some person, and before it if we apply not means there exists no person. There exists some person means there is single person, at least single person. If we apply not before it means there is no person, means no one. Who fools everyone? No one can fools everyone at all time. At all time copied, it is copied. So I think option D is correct.